Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you're a return subscriber, welcome. It's nice to have you back. So guys, we've been working on so many dresses because we are in the season of making dresses, festive period and so on. And in between this period, I've been able to make some little video clips on the dresses we've been working on so far. So here we go guys, this is the cup. We're making a corset here. This is the inner part. I top stitched my lining to the main dress, and you can see the edge area. That's where I'll be placing my zipper, and here is where I started from and all the way down. As you can see guys, I did not top stitch on my cup area. I just left it that way, and so that it will stay properly. Really, it's not necessary to top stitch that area. So guys, you can see all the way down, no top stitching. I just stitched it at once and I left it that way. And the other area also I top stitched the center back area, and I also left my 1.5 inch zip allowance for my zipper, so you can see this top stitching area where I top stitched. Also, here is what the inside of my corset looks like. You can see my cup, you can see the boning, you can see my paper tape that I used to secure the boning properly, and here you can see the lining well placed and all. The inside is looking so beautiful. And so guys, generally I'm just gonna attach the skirt area to the upper part. Here we go guys, you can see it's looking beautiful. So guys, here I will just attach my skirts to the upper part of the bodies. So guys, let's go. So you can see the inside part of it. So I also stitched the skirts area to the upper part on 1/2 inch, and I did the same for the lining, making it look beautiful. I'm gonna be closing this all around, but I'm sure you guys understand what I'm explaining. So the same way I stitched the bottom area to the upper part of the dress, so that's the same way I'm going to be stitching it to that. So here is my zipper. I'm going to be placing my zipper on the 1.5 inch allowance that was left out earlier. Here is our sleeve. Here I'm just gonna make a little sleeve for the biceps area, just to sit on the biceps. Here's what I did guys. I use elastic to place and stitch it on the middle area to make it puff, and also this area I also passed elastic there to make it sit properly on the biceps. And the big elastic is about 1 inch. It's just to make it puff out. Then I also used the 1/2 inch elastic just to secure it on the biceps area. As you can see guys, the bottom is puffy and the upper part looks kind of a bit slim but firm. And here I'm going to be using this beautiful beads, kind of, should I say they are trimmings or beads kind of thing design. I purchased it in the market and I got like a yard of it, and I'm going to be creative with this. I'm going to double it. I think it's nicer when it's double, and instead of just using just one of it, it's better when it's double. So I'm going to be stitching it together and also hand stitching this, making it look nice. I'm also going to be placing it on one side of the sleeve area guys. Here we go guys, this is what our dress looks like. It's a corset dress. So guys, you can see it's looking beautiful, everything in place. I will just go ahead and attach my sleeve to this and also attach my beads to this, the beaded strand I made. So guys, let's not waste any more time. Let me show you guys what it's gonna look like. So here I'm just gonna be wearing the sleeve. I intended to make it a detachable sleeve earlier, but I think I changed my mind and I attached it to the bodies of the upper part. So guys, that's, you can see here I just intended to make it a detachable sleeve that you can easily take off and then wear it back, but I think it will be better if we attach it. You can see what it looks like here. And on the other sleeve, guys, you can see that I added my beaded appliques and it's dazzling. I'm going to be hand stitching the area where we have my pins. So guys, as you can see, if you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also comment if you need any clarity. And you can see the dress looking smashing, looking nice and beautiful. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial, guys. Subscribe, make us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.